Say kutu. Say bam. Say kutu. Say bam. Yeah, no doso. When you would any beer. David. When you would any beer. David. Where despite the any beer.
Christianity, first of all, is having what? Compassion for your fellow human being. We are sick. And yet, me and son, what the Siraba also. And yet, you are able me kawa sam yare. I war number 2. And then the third one is send your bony panel. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Mcbrown. Subscribe, share. Many 2 more now on can be. Video be a trend and mommy who say Christianity is not by words, but it's by what? Deeds. It's not by words, but it's by deeds. And you know the casa. Empress, whatever Christian gift you are saying, said dear Ben, that woman needs to be talked to. Now say oh your video be. Now by virtue of adeno na outro insinuations at Nana Mama Brian video.
Say kutu. Say bam. Say kutu. Say bam. Yeah, no doso. When you would any beer. David. When you would any beer. David. Where despite the any beer. Despite any beer. Despite any just say we will count Uber for the any beer. We would mean oh, not just say. Me borrow moi na me da ye papas doctor or say kwa me despite papa won kwanso ya me shira so wa ma ya say kutu say bam say kutu say bam ye no doso when you would any beer David when you would any beer David where despite the any beer despite any beer despite can be no just say we will count Uber for the any beer. We would mean oh, not just say me borrow moi na me da ye papas doctor or say kwa me despite papa won kwanso ya me shira so wa ma ya
Gifty mami tufo onye kristoni enti egwajama bia nka ncho bia so kristoni da Gifty o say onye kristoni da. Do you know what Christianity is? Christianity, first of all, is having what? Compassion for your fellow human being. And we are saying, Adia miensa, what the Siraba also. And yet, Diana Mebo, me kawa sam yare. I war number 2. And then the third one is send your bony panel. Nana Mcbrown. Gifty your say, Ultimina Nana Mcbrown and your peda, Her Excellency. Ultimina in your peda, forget it. Was sending what Tona Wakwane and Debene Quasia, some of Yena, Ultimina Nana Mama, she's a distinguished woman. Sabi of one baby Quadibio, or a distinguished woman. How dare you? How dare you be a Nanama eyasne nonya yo ya fa wono na se me de woni po a ono bo ne ho na Gifty Jimmy won say na me feel say you are intelligent e ma me bo because ma me bo an se ma meka no wo ya mehyew na me feel so wadwen wo efie sam na wadwen ni fie Jimmy ne ya do so na so ko we need your friends total cap bi o sade ya wo de no all safa ho masa be bia wadu no Empress, what? No, Empress. So say a friend, Her Excellency. Or say, you know, won't fire on Pembium, won't cry. Her Excellency, what now? Sha? Only Mcbrown, Nana Mcbrown, wabre. Go and check that woman. Or ye relentless. Ye can't be a. She doesn't say no. Or you'll be a sabe. Ghana na ejimintia. I can say a true book one home. Then go for study. She's an epitome of what we call a real good woman. A man your baby, not Nana Mcbrown, a hard work, dignity, and what? Sacrifice. And no dear doing what doing. Give to us say, position now on Nana Mcbrown, or make trouble. YouTube is a secret. I know what content in the who content come here. A controversial your friends program say. Nana Mcbrown or call on me. Look at the kind of leverage she has given them. say, or you're professional. On him how to brand her while branding who yama, Sabina warrior cry in crisis. She didn't utter a word when you cast on Yansa. I thought say you were from this woman, but not knowing say Jimmy and all them pop max. Jimmy with Jimmy, what did they say? Now what we are ever battle? Yes, steady. Me more be but only me ever battle. Hey, now what Jimmy say? Oh, could Jimmy and also Jimmy? It's just here. And come back on your son about Jimmy, all the fooling like Jimmy. Over the year, Nana Mcbrown. What is wrong with you? Say, I wait, you deny us. I say, hey, what you have done? Yami Wumabo. Because the air brand woman, what put that dear chair asset? You think you are somebody, eh? What you say? You can go some places and do things. Christianity, Christian woman, how to call baby. Master, a Christopher, Paul, Peter. You know why they were called Christians? Because they behaved like Christ. Gifty, this I will say, way does it emit Christ's character? And answer it emits the devil's character. Master, don't joke with the Bible. When he said God's will look into you, my guy. Sabe, and then I have 40 Obias, I said, you people. Satan made you 20%. John said, you are a Christian. Christianity is not fashion. Christianity is a way of life. Yeah, a Bible, no, be shout, no, I said, this is a Christian. When you remember, Ben, question your massa. Yeah, you see, I know it's that. After the walk over the yak, the number Mcbrown. You will be won't down. Me, I'm an advert fan of Nana Mcbrown because I see her say, oh yeah, a virtuous woman, or you'll be a sabbath when you're done, or you're virtuous, hardworking, industrious, the same time, like discipline. And same to the great person now, meeting Nana Mcbrown can be that. When you see her, oh Shamia, now you're back. Yeah, that's a see Nana Mcbrown, and you're the Empress. But Yamano, she thinks he's broken. But you are setting it over. Part now setting up. But it's simple. Some of the I think you come back. That's what.